Today we're going out and we're doing some mastic. And I got to tell you, I don't have a full crew. Chris isn't here. Joe's not here. But I will say that I'm excited. I'm pumped up. Everybody's got a sense of urgency. Everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing. Everybody's happy to be working. And let's get it, baby. Hey folks, Ryan with Premier Seal Coating, and today we are out here at Dunkin' Donuts in Southbridge doing some mastic. This is mastic repair around a catch basin. Normally you would want this to be a lot drier, but this needs to be done for an occupancy permit, and they gave us this week to do it, but it's rained every single day, and tomorrow's Easter. So this is how we go about using mastic for that. Now ideally you would want that sub base to be a lot drier than it is, but you know, like I said, when you only got the time you got, you kind of got to do it the way you got to do it. So Ricky's got like a loop box, and that's what will help keep things uniform around. The best thing about mastic is how malleable it is. See how it's just forming into that spot, and if you get pretty good at it, you can make this flush. It'll be almost perfect when it's done. You kind of just got to let it do its thing. It's very hot when it goes in, so it tends to just, you know, follow the path of least resistance, which is exactly what you want.
Yep. A little bit. Going over to it. Yep.
Ricky, just get that off the edge of that. See how it's going over the grate?
Yep.
Just try to keep it like
use a hot.
Good. Pull it all down. Yeah, boy. A little more.
Fill itself? No.
Perfect. Just a little behind you, Mike. Or Ricky, one of you. That little hole right there?
I think so, over there.
Yeah, a little bit, Josh. Sorry.